Practice set 1.3, example number 8. In the figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P, and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Prove that triangle ABP similar triangle CDP. In this given figure, segment AC and segment BD are intersecting in point P. Here is a two triangle. This two triangle we have to show similar triangle. It is easy test of similarity, that is AA test. In this triangle, first triangle APB and in second triangle DPC are congruent because they are opposite to each other, and we have given AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Two sides of first triangle and two sides of second triangle are in proportion, and angle between them P is congruent. Hence SAS, by this test these two triangles are similar to each other. In triangle APB and triangle CDP, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. This proportion is given, and angle APB congruent to the angle CPD. The reason is opposite angles. Hence, triangle APB is similar to the triangle CDP by test SAS test. Hence, thus we have proved that triangle APB is similar to the triangle CDP. Example number 9. In the figure, in triangle ABC, point D on side BC is such that angle BAC and angle ADC is equal. Prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. We have to prove this. In the given figure, in triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. This red angle R we have given equal, and if you look this in this figure, angle in triangle ABC, angle ACB and triangle ACD, angle ACD both are common. Hence we can prove that in triangle ABC we have given angle BAC and angle, point out that angle ACB. In triangle ADC, angle ADC is given to the first triangle angle BAC, and angle ACD is common in this triangle. If we consider both the triangle are simultaneously, then we will get angle BAC and angle ADC is given equal, hence they are congruent to each other, and angle ACB in triangle ABC and angle ACD in triangle ADC are common. Hence both triangles are similar to each other by test AA test. In triangle ABC and in triangle ADC, angle ABC is congruent to the angle ADC. The reason is common angle. Angle BAC is congruent to the angle ADC. The reason is given. We have given that. Hence triangle ABC is similar to the triangle DAC by test AA test. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Hence AB upon AD is equal to BC upon AC is equal to AC upon DC. Reason, sides are proportionate. We required only these two ratio, that we have taken that BC upon AC is equal to AC upon DC. Cross multiplication, AC into AC, that is AC square, is equal to BC into DC. This factor we have rearranged by showing that answer. Hence we have right here CA square is equal to CB into CD. AC is nothing but CA, BC is nothing but CB, and DC is CD. Hence thus we have proved that CA square is equal to CB into CD.